Ano ako sweldo mo?
Salamat ah.
Sabay na tayo?
May lakad ako eh. Next time na lang.
Sige.
Bakit mo inisnab si Tonton?
Wala akong panahon.
At bakit?
Economic crisis.
O sige, bye. Ay, excuse me.
Kaluis! Kaluis! Namumula palay ko!
Tongkro yan, Ed! Nasa panahon yan! Wala na tayong magagawa dyan. At yung mga dagang nanggagaling sa subdivision, pumipinsala rin sa palay.
Oh, Mr. Steiner, I'm sorry we're a little late, but this is the godson I told you about. He might be useful to have around, and he's fresh out of school and eager to get on. But since I don't want influential opinion either way, so I leave him with you.
Pagbutihin. I have to pick up something in the office. So let's walk so we can talk.
Sure. We can walk or we can fly.
Flying is no joke. You Filipinos should learn to look upwards instead of downwards. As soon as everybody in this country realizes that, the better, of course, for the course of development. By the way, you have an engineering background?
No, I studied business administration.
That's all right. Business administration is very important over here. As a matter of fact, in this country, you have to have more business sense. You Filipinos, you're so easygoing. Filipino time. You give them a contract, they don't follow the contract. You have to work harder. Maybe one day, you will operate one of these beautiful machines. But you also must work more efficiently. Miski Finchbach Finchtins, profit.
Profitably.
Right. Otherwise, this country will not get anywhere.
I think I know what you mean, Mr. Steiner. I know that we Filipinos have done a lot of walking. We haven't reached space age. But at least we don't colonize other people. Thank you, Mr. Steiner. I think I should seek employment with the LRT. Good day.
Ay, nakabisit ng mga bata ito, oh. Hoy, kayo na naman? Ilang beses na kayo tumapat dito? Sige, sige, sige. Naku, sa isang linggo pang Pasko.
Sabi nung pinsan ko, ire-recommenda raw niya akong cook sa barko. Pero hindi pa naman sumusulat. Buti pa siya. Alam mo, pag international ang barko, walang problema sa pagkain at saka masarap ang trabaho. Pero pag domestic ang pinasukan ko, munggo at tinapa ang kakainin ng crew. Kahit na may opening sa pier, ayoko. Maghihintay na lang ako. Alam mo, yun namang tiyahin ko, iniimbita naman ako sa Bicol dahil may manukan siya ron. Sabi niya baka gusto ko raw mag-alaga ng manok. Pero sabi ko, hintayin ko na lang kaya yung sulat ng pinsan ko galing sa Australia, di ba? Alam mo, kahit wala akong trabaho ngayon, okay lang. Dahil alam ko namang masigurado ako doon sa pinsan ko, di ba? Sa Australia, mas magandang trabaho yun. So, ganun. Ganun yung sitwasyon. Sige, Lor.
Ha?
Babalik na lang ako sa Pasko.
Sige.
Alis ka na?
Opo, alis na ho ako. Babalik na lang ako sa Pasko.
O, sige, balik ka, ha?
Opo.
Ano ba naman yung manliligaw mo na yan? Ang lakas-lakas ng loob, wala naman trabaho.
Boyet, Letty, kailangan tulungan niyo ako. Ikaw, Boyet, baka pwede ka nang magtinda ng dyaryo. Ikaw naman, Letty, magtinda ka ng sampagita. Kailangan magtulungan tayo dahil baka sa susunod na taon, hindi kayo makapasok.